So guys, recently I have bought this OnePlus 7T for myself and for reviewing purposes because I am a YouTuber, so I have to purchase some new smartphones. So I bought it and I have found some issues in this phone. So hey, what's up guys, my name is Zahir and these are 7 reasons why you should not buy this OnePlus 7T, or you can say the cons of this phone. So let's begin. So guys, the number one reason not to purchase this smartphone is definitely the battery life. Even though it comes with that 90Hz panel, which is just amazing. I love the 90Hz panel, it's very smooth, and the AMOLED goodness is just incredible, deep blacks and all. Very awesome display, no doubt about that, but it consumes hell lot of battery. First of all, let me explain you quickly what is 90Hz. Basically, the display refreshes every second. Normal displays refresh at the rate of 60 Hz per second, but this display is refreshing at the rate of 90 Hz, basically 90 times in 1 second. So that's why it consumes more battery. Simple as that. So that's why the battery life of this smartphone is not as good as a OnePlus 7 or other smartphone. And if you wanna see what is the difference in 60 Hz and 90 Hz in terms of the battery life, I have made a full battery drain test in the real life in the 60 Hz versus 90 Hz. So if you wanna see that video, I will leave the card. You can go ahead and check that out. So the first reason is definitely the battery life. Then moving to the second reason is the design. I mean, look wise, build quality wise is just amazing, no doubt about that. But this design, it looks a little bit ugly in my opinion for a lot of people. It looks like a Motorola smartphone. Motorola has their own place, no doubt about that. But this smartphone comes into the premium smartphone category, and I hope you guys understand what I'm trying to say. When it comes to looks and design, this smartphone looks a little bit weird and a little bit ugly, but looks are subjective too. So yeah, if you like this, it's not an issue for you. You can go ahead and buy this. The next reason not to purchase this smartphone is the camera bump. I mean, it has a huge camera bump. I mean, huge camera bump. It's very big. When you put it on a table, it wobbles. I mean, it does not wobble at the bottom. When you type on the keyboard, it won't wobble, but when you do like this, it wobbles a lot. I mean, the camera bump is huge, so you have to put it into the case. By the way, they have provided this carry case. This case is very good, by the way, but it definitely goes yellow after some time of usage, so that's great. Or I can say the worst thing about it, that it goes yellow, but yeah, whatever. This case is good, so you can definitely use it, and you have to use it because the back is glass and that camera bump is just ugly as fuck. After that, the next reason not to purchase this smartphone is definitely the expansion. It does not provide any SD card slot, so you cannot expand the storage. You will stuck with the 128GB or 256GB of storage, which is a UFS 3.0 storage, and I have to say it's a good thing because external storage are definitely slower than the UFS 3.0 storage, so it will make your smartphone slower in some scenarios, but 128GB is quite enough for a lot of people. But if you are worried about the storage, then you have to go with the 256GB variant, otherwise you don't have any way to expand the storage of this smartphone. Yeah. Then guys, after that, we have another problem, that it does not support wireless charging. I mean, this smartphone comes into the premium Indian smartphone market and it does not come with the wireless charging. Seriously, OnePlus, why not? The phone will become 1 mm thicker. We don't care. We want wireless charging. Well, wireless charging is great, but it does not support wireless charging. So it's a bummer for a lot of people. If you love wireless charging, you should avoid this smartphone. I hate that thing, by the way. Then guys, the next reason is definitely the IP rating. They have tested it a lot in the water. So basically, it's a IP67 certified, but without the certification. You know what I mean? The official IP certification would be much better. My hair is very messy and I hate that. I hate that literally. And then the next reason, or I can say the next con of this smartphone is no headphone jack. I am complaining. Why I am complaining? I mean, it's 2019 and there is no flagship which comes with the headphone jacks now, I guess. So I should stop complaining about the headphone jack. So yeah, it does not have headphone jack. Please be aware of that. If you don't mind using a smartphone without headphone jack, then you can definitely buy this smartphone. By the way, I have made top 7 reasons. Yeah, 7 reasons to buy this smartphone. So if you wanna watch that, go ahead and watch this video. And when you watch both the videos, basically you have to compare the pros and the cons. That if your pros outweighs the con, then definitely you can buy this smartphone. Otherwise, you should not buy this smartphone. So yeah, that's all in this video, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. If it did, then hit that like button, share this video with your friends who are looking to buy this smartphone or any other smartphone in this price category. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. By the way, guys, if you love my content, you can subscribe to this channel with that bell notification icon so you'll be notified when I post new videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Bye.